In 1975, two childhood friends, Bill Gates and Paul Allen, founded Microsoft, a company that would revolutionize personal computing. From humble beginnings to dominating the tech world, Microsoft's software forever changed the way we use computers. The founding of Microsoft 15100. Bill Gates and Paul Allen founded Microsoft with one goal in mind: to make software for the emerging personal computer industry. Their first big break came when they developed a version of BASIC for the Altair 8800, one of the first personal computers. This marked the start of a company that would go on to define software development for PCs, Microsoft, and the development of PC Software 1.00200. The 1980s saw Microsoft's rise with the development of MS-DOS, an operating system that would power IBM's personal computers. With the release of MS-DOS, Microsoft became a central player in the personal computer market. By licensing its software to hardware manufacturers, Microsoft positioned itself as the industry standard, enabling millions of people to use PCs at home and in the workplace. Windows and revolutionizing user interfaces to 00245. In 1985, Microsoft launched Windows, a graphical user interface that would revolutionize how people interacted with computers. Windows simplified computing, making it more intuitive and accessible for everyday users. The release of Windows 95 took Microsoft to new heights, dominating the personal computing market and setting the stage for a new era in technology. Conclusion 2, 45300. From its founding in 1975 to becoming a global tech powerhouse, Microsoft transformed personal computing. By developing groundbreaking software, the company played a critical role in shaping the tech industry we know today. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories about U.S. corporations that changed the world. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into iconic American corporations and their impact on our daily lives.